Ahoy, mateys! Welcome aboard to the adventure of a lifetime. Ready to set sail on a budget? Whether you're a seasoned sailor or a first-time cruiser, finding the best deals can be a treasure hunt in itself. Ever dreamt of sipping colorful cocktails on a deck overlooking the ocean? I know I have. Imagine the gentle sea breeze, the sound of waves, and the endless horizon. Cruises are like giant floating amusement parks, but with better food and hopefully no sea monsters. From thrilling water slides to gourmet dining, there's something for everyone. But let's be real, planning a cruise can feel like navigating a pirate ship through a hurricane. The options are endless, and it can be overwhelming. Don't worry, I'm here to be your trusty first mate. With a bit of guidance, we can chart a course to the perfect vacation. I've sailed the high seas, and by high seas I mean the buffet line, enough times to know a thing or two about booking the perfect cruise. From the best dining options to the most exciting excursions, I've got you covered. We'll find you the right ship, the best deals, and even pack your bags. Okay, maybe not that last part. But I will share tips on what to pack to make your journey smooth and enjoyable. Get ready for smooth sailing and unforgettable memories, all without breaking the bank. Whether it's a family vacation, a romantic getaway, or a fun trip with friends, there's a cruise out there for you. Because who needs a treasure chest full of gold when you can have a vacation full of fun? From onboard activities to shore excursions, every moment is an adventure. Let's get this cruise ship a-sailing. Pack your bags, grab your sunscreen, and get ready for an unforgettable journey on the high seas. Adventure awaits. First things first, we gotta pick the right ship. This is the foundation of your entire cruise experience. Think of it like choosing your dance partner. The right one will make your journey unforgettable. You wouldn't want to tango with a walrus, right? Or maybe you would, no judgment here. But seriously, the right cruise line can make all the difference. Each cruise line has its own vibe. Some are lively and bustling, while others are more laid back and serene. Some are like a big family reunion. Think karaoke nights and belly flop contests. Perfect for those who love a fun, casual atmosphere. While others are more like a swanky cocktail party. Think fancy dinners and Broadway shows. These are ideal for those who enjoy a touch of elegance and sophistication. Do you crave adventure, relaxation, or a bit of both? Some ships offer rock climbing, zip lining, and surf simulators, while others have serene spas and quiet lounges. Are you traveling with kids, your sweetheart, or your best pals? Family-friendly ships have water parks and kids clubs, while romantic cruises offer intimate dining and sunset views. Once you figure out your cruise style, you can pick the perfect line for a cruise that's smoother than a dolphin's belly. So take your time, do your research, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure on the high seas. Now, let's talk cabins. This is your home away from home, so you want to make sure it's comfy and cozy. Do you dream of waking up to ocean views, or are you okay with a cozy interior room? Balconies are great for enjoying your morning coffee and pretending you're a millionaire. But hey, if you're like me and plan on spending most of your time exploring the ship and soaking up the sun, an interior room might be the way to go. Plus, you'll save some cash for those fruity drinks with the little umbrellas. Cruises aren't just about the ship life. It's about exploring amazing destinations too. Excursions are your chance to dive into local culture, swim with stingrays, or climb ancient ruins. But booking through the cruise line can sometimes feel like paying a pirate's ransom. My advice? Be your own captain. Research and book excursions independently. You'll often find better prices and more unique experiences. Plus, you can avoid those giant tour groups and feel like a true explorer. Just imagine you, Indiana Jones, and a plate of delicious local food. Section 5, Deal Hunter Deluxe, snagging those sweet cruise discounts. All right, now for the fun part, saving money. Who doesn't love a good deal? Booking a cruise is like playing a game of strategy. The key is to be flexible and patient. Don't be afraid to wait for last-minute deals or shoulder-season sailings. Remember, the early bird might get the worm, but the procrastinating pirate often gets the treasure chest full of discounts. Sign up for email alerts, check cruise comparison websites, and don't be afraid to haggle a little. Trust me, the feeling of getting a steal on a cruise is more satisfying than finding a $20 bill in your pocket. Section 6. Packing like a pro, essentials for a smooth sailing. Packing for a cruise can feel like trying to fit an entire wardrobe into a tiny treasure chest. It's easy to get overwhelmed, but with a little planning, you can make sure you have everything you need without overpacking. But fear not, I've got your packing list right here. Start with the basics and build from there. Think about the activities you'll be doing and the climate of your destination. First things first, comfy shoes are a must. Whether you're exploring the ship, taking a shore excursion, or just strolling on the deck, your feet will thank you. You'll be doing a lot of walking, exploring, and maybe even some dancing, especially if you find me on board. So, make sure to pack a pair of shoes that you can wear all day without discomfort. Don't forget your swimsuit, sunscreen, and a hat to protect you from those sneaky sunbeams. The sun can be quite strong out at sea, so it's important to stay protected. And of course, no cruise is complete without a few fancy outfits for those elegant dinners and nights out. Most cruises have formal nights, so pack something that makes you feel fabulous. Oh, and one more thing, pack your sense of adventure. Cruises are all about exploring new places and trying new things. It's the most important item on the list. With the right mindset and a well-packed suitcase, you're ready for an unforgettable journey. Bon voyage! Section 7, Bon Voyage Bites, Navigating the Culinary Delights on Board. Let's talk about everyone's favorite part of a cruise, the food. Cruises are basically a floating buffet extravaganza. From elegant dinners to casual poolside snacks, there's something to satisfy every craving. But with so many delicious options, it's easy to get lost in a sea of food. Pun intended. My advice? Pace yourself. Don't try to conquer every buffet on the first day. Sample a little bit of everything and don't be afraid to ask for seconds or thirds, no judgment here. And remember, those midnight snacks are calling your name. Section 8, Entertainment Extravaganza, from Broadway shows to belly flop contests. Cruises are like giant floating entertainment hubs. From Broadway-style shows to live music, comedy acts, and even belly flop contests. Don't pretend you don't love those. There's never a dull moment. Check the daily schedule and plan your activities in advance so you don't miss out on the fun. And hey, if you're feeling brave, why not participate in karaoke night? Just remember, what happens on the cruise ship stays on the cruise ship. Unless it's hilarious, then it's going straight on my show. Section 9. Conclusion anchors. A way to cruise control. So there you have it, folks. My insider tips for booking the perfect cruise like a pro. Remember, choosing the right cruise is like picking the perfect pair of dancing shoes. It's all about finding the right fit for you and your crew. Don't be afraid to be adventurous, try new things, and most importantly, have a whale of a time. And who knows, maybe we'll even bump into each other at the buffet line. Happy sailing!